what is my my dada and my small sister. It's lies, guys. Don't. Yeah. Okay, guys, they are doing videos. Let's go inside and see. This is also same like it. Let's see the cruise. See outside, guys. Can't you see? It's an ocean. I will zoom it. Here is a carpet because you can't see. This is whole cruise. We have time to go to our room. This is a bar. This is a beautiful bar, guys. Oh, you don't listen to that. This is also same like that. With chairs, beautiful dining table, same chair. I will show you video, guys. Now we can see here properly, but it can't be here. See, guys, and I'm going to close it and I will show you here. It's unable to see from here too. I will show you from my room. It's a big sofa, giant. Let's go to this room, guys. Nobody's here. See the seats? It's beautiful. Seem like a bed. Tables. Again, tables are beautiful chairs. And exit. This is beautiful, guys. I think I'm walking in my home. I'm feeling like that only, guys. See. Ma? No, come on. No, Anta. Okay, guys, see from small side ocean here. Okay, we can't, but our father is taking us. Okay, but we can because our father is here. Let's take photos.
We have all the check-ins and immigration.
Yeah, we completed them all.
See a lot of ships there.
See a lot of ships. Let's see, this is not a ship, this is a cruise. See the ocean. Okay, guys, let's go inside. Don't waste our time. Come on, let's go inside. Don't waste by seeing the ocean. You can see it anytime.
Come on, guys.
Excuse me. Can this door open?
Oh, amazing.
Oh. Okay, let's go inside. Dada, your power is almost done. It's just 2%. Let's go to our room. Wow, see, guys, what the dining tables. It's beautiful. This is the first time for me to seeing the cruise. I never see it. See, guys, cooking coffee.
Eatable.
Eat too, guys.